sisters. Not the sister, the children. The children can go. The disgrace when people say, Enogie.
Hello my amazing people, good morning, good afternoon, good evening. Depends of where una dey see our video from. I greet everybody according to una time. My people, we don bring another story. Welcome again. Now who we wan watch today, my amazing people? We wan watch from Victor Umenwan TV, aka Baba when dey smile. No be small thing, my people, as from Victor give am to Enogie woto. He come still analyze lovely video where those children don rotimi dey for Lagos on Enogie. My people, I would like to leave una make una watch this very video. Please don't fail to drop your opinion. Tell us what you think about this very video, and also like and share this video for your care. Subscribe to support me. Please, my amazing people, thumbs up this video for me. Support your girl by thumbsing up this video. Support me, no be money that they thumbs up. Now free, my people. That opportunity when you take come watch, I best still use that opportunity. Take thumbs up this video for me. God bless you all. Love you all.
You don't pay me. You know why you don't pay me? Because you dey insult your mate. You never even hold now. Children don't they beat you. Children don't already they insult you.
God bless you.
You insult Abiliba. You dey insult fathers. You dey insult mothers. See, I answer the question.
You listen with love it all.
I answer the question. Your sin now just they cut up with you. Mama. You know what you say? Yes,
Come.
In 15 years time, your sin will
Instantly.
cut up with you. It's just they cut up with you now.
Instantly.
When I see that, see the way where the guy, see the way where the children just take sit down. See the way all of them just they lay curse on you. You have people for that curse when those children curse you. You get a person they do something which you go withdraw. Other ones they shan. When no they look back, you know say that person no get mind. In mind, you know, I don't know how I want to talk on.
We listen.
Want to be able to see that particular place.
Every
human being on this life, if you waka, you must turn, look back. Person when they waka, we know they turn, look back. That person, he no go fit favor anybody for this life. He no go fit help anybody for this life. He no go fit love anybody for this life. Once he go. Not only that person, na he only you, na he know. Person wey he go look back. If he waka, he go look back. That person still get people for mind. He still get the community for mind. He still get the work for mind. Who they waka wey no dey look back. He go just dey waka no dey look back. No say that person he no good for anybody for this life. Enogie is getting too much. Look at how children insulting you. He don't pay me oh. Lie, not pay me. Share
this video. I never want to talk. I want to play this audio for.
The way when those children they insult you, I love it.
God bless you.
Because you insult people with the senior you, they insult them.
God bless
insult
you.
Them. Your elderly men, they insult them. Even women with the senior you, they insult them. I don't pay me for that insult. For that insult, I give those children kudos. When I say, I never even put money. I know they put money for those things that they do for social media. It mean I say the day where I will get money, I will give them the share for those children when they come to insult you. Yes. Because why? Facebook, people when they the pikin when you carry come, Papa, you don't wake up, Mama. Okay, I think you don't sleep. The pikin when you carry come, to be honest, you get what they call her of what did they call that this you? Only English is not saying but so they I will say my daughter dead down now. The English don't come on, just escape me. No, or something like that. You know, now the pikin they suffer from. You know, they let me tell you, I'm a mother. Oh no, they no sense. Now once they'll tell no. That pikin get the way when they do something. pikin get the way when they do something. Even then the pikin I said, don't let that little girl grow up like that Enogie. To be honest, you get pikin for inside instead of you. Now you supposed to carry that children. If the people with the therapists, if they work on that children finish, as a father, you're supposed to carry that pikin. Even sport, you're supposed to carry that pikin, they go sport. You're supposed to carry that pikin, go where children, they do activity. Una pack them put for inside house, lock them put for inside house, una they make noise. You don't get see pikin when you carry come out. Oh God. Autism. Okay, autism. Thank you. God bless you. If I see I will know how to read that, but they escape me. Neither pikin be. The pikin get the way when they do something. And okay, may I tell you.
Lovely, you don't do okay at all.
Back. When will they go market? If they want pikin now for one village, this pikin na gripa, na big girl, don't get breast. We dey inside car. That time we dey carry passage that they go market that time. Not so if I talk and I just say shut up because you don't know me,
Francamozo ma bien mewebu. Francamozo ma bien mewebu. Enogie. Me omokbia. Iga gube de na. Omokbia. My name will never lost. Enogie, if you don't know, you have not built your name. You understand? When not build me we build me Nigeria, we must build the name. Madere we de ki me yenana, it cannot be full current. No. Full current or maybe half current. Any man now when you're in school. Oh, you know you go with the net. Automatically, oh, will not any or when anyway. Anyway, will long, we go large. Bros, man, never would marry here now. Ye can you know, Mawabo, oh, yagbo time. Today is no longer oh, yagbo time. It is now Umenwan. It is not being Juliet Umenwan. If you go hard to ask now, say, don't that one of that Umenwan. That be looking over njoh Juliet iyore. Juliet iyore is no longer Juliet Agbotai. She has been migrated from Juliet Agbotai now to Juliet iyore. Assuming say Agbotai ma bia mokbia. Where Juliet Agbotai bia. Umenwan where Juliet ba. Oyaya here Juliet iyore. And here Juliet Agbotai and Agbotai ba. Now because where Agbotai no mokbia. Ikwone mokbia Agbotai bi na heri. Iyare ya bia ni Agbotai. Uday, eni Agbotai ya ataka ya woto. Agbon ye ta otane bio. Ewi when ya mame ready me yera ya as Umenwan ina to say wesire de o you no gbera yowo o ha te Jezebel or Jeneta or Jenewo or Jenewo or Zagwe or Aze or so ni ni o si pa lo ni ri ti e o do ni attack okay Mirabe Umenwan Juliet Umenwan Sylvia Umenwan Blessing Umenwan Lovett Umenwan Princess Umenwan enini ye tan ye oton ye ihawu la lagba no ne fo to ewi mandele mo ko ni wa bi re be ni iri o wa be ya hin egbe o we e ya ri no one will bear your name uwe wa wo be de ne anywhere is cancel and forever cancel. Nobody remember you again. Nora Umenwan. Ana mero we no ga salo ina kata. Oh God. Why can you get to no God, bad guy. When you get in, I have brilliant boys and I'm very active. But a better getting another ta. I am going on at Nora Umenwan. Nada Umenwan. Oh God. I worry, yeah, Bobby, you carry. Yeah, I'm for my year. Can we run short no man? As guy, man. Oh God. Hey, where I go there, bashuta. We call it bashuta. Maso. Yeah, get your weight down. Yeah, I'm married. Anyway, are we? Anyway, because people will be there. Oh God, me will be look me. I'm very gallant. Èmi guyan, e kin aye bio. Yan buy or you see wolo. Bad guys. E worry. Ya do igwe kon. E no ge egbu la owo yo. Èmi ri we ya bo me. Osoke mo ne. E mo wagun yen la agbo. One no. Daddy, I love him. Daddy, I love him. I want to go with him. Umona koko talking. Because they kill me as is no. Umona koko talking. Oh, buy your no one so you can. Have you kill. If I kill you, what do you want? Yes. What am I going to give? Call your man. No, my dear. We don't get my cat with again a day. More you want to yell. Don't come to my house. You are my one enemy. We have all like. Oh, honey, you my you have all like, but oh, wait to them, Lima. No, I get this. No, Daddy, I'm going with my love. I love him. No, I say, get this. No, I'm going with my Nanda. Get this. No, I'm going with my love. I love him. Otilo, he don't go. Ah, you live on now. Maybe you live on now. Live on now. Umenwan. Vient courir la voix et qui a bon roi. On peut nous bien courir au boc. Peka. Oh, alors tu vas c'est vrai. Alors, ouais, tu dois avoir que bien pas non. I gotta let you know. Hello? What up? Where? Okay. Okay. Okay, we're live. We need live. Okay, very loud. D'ailleurs, la fait dans ma balance. Mais ouais, quoi, le look ici. Ça, le boy, n'a été bien ou kana. Mais quand il est zéyé, comme il a gagné, il est quoi, bien. Et mon. Donc, il y a what la fille. Les communistes nous ont dit la fille. Ok, Monica Baby Vela. On a
dans les yeux, au dans.
Aí você não se crise no mentira, se nas peças como mentira.
Isso.
Não, even they see bomb going one way. They say you keep this guy here, no, he never they talk. You're evil man. I have to keep good talk. 5 years. The job of here, one very 5 years here. No, you went for evidence to be able. I'm not interested in that. Evidence to be able. I'm wild. I'm not coming to the mouth.
Big Because when Sarah, you never hear, come see the one where you're picking.
Let's go say, admit it.
Sarah, yeah, Monica, that Monica, if we all see where you are, we want to, if we all see what.
That's what you're doing.
Eva tegala taneluwa, oh baluwa, iga dege.
That's what you be familiar. Nobody be anybody anyway. Okay.
I will not send you for you the grace, you the man, you the grace, you the man, your husband the grace, you the man, you the grace, you the man, married me for 23 years. Now they say me too the grace. What it can concern you?
Okay.
Now they say it's a couple of grace. As far as we are gracing together, may you not cry.
Okay.
You and your couple will not the grace.
Thank
Every
you.
day social media now they settle. Wow.
Okay.
Now the truth me go solo come out for your body. Papa Ajelala children, just look at them. Hey, you're going to be nothing wrong with Tony. Lost thing. Small picking will get hypertension. Because a papa is German kill me so talk. Hey, general Bongajena, and no more than a bena kind. When I go the year, you know, they have children, you know, they have me, my baby go out, my baby go out, you know. No. Somebody said do this thing that day. One person do video. I don't forget which presenter that day. I just the pass where I said he said, "Hey, we not be presenter like all those TikTok talker." He said, "Money, he have yet but je vais te doctor no honey no point avec la bijouterie. Oh oui, we have yet but we oh je vais be maranya. Oh we money, nya. Oh we working oh honey no oh pas no point avec la dédé. Mais là il dédé no ri ekorion we gui o sister dure manala we gui wa ewe. Iwe dédé no avec la dédé no ri ekorion. Our PlayStation upon the yes. Wow. Now four. Just use here, take confirm. Oh, Jimmy, you got Oji. Now you know say you get special pikin. Since when people they talk am, you want meme. You think all of us blind?
Wala.
Many people they go this
Wala.
school. Many people na doctor. Many people get the children. So if they see, they know. Why are you lying? Now you can't accept. Now you can't accept special children. Mona can't give our word. Oh yeah, why am I what in there? If I forget. Why am I what in there where infection people's to don't give birth to special pikin?
Jesus.
When you wear a fry now you really get the challenge of appointment every now. If you not do your own now you know the thing. A mere appointment a mere challenge go. If you use your own template now you know. It no concern me.
So
It no concern me. Now Matt you go tell the talk. Now pandenya SC Emma B. People pandenya merci. Jesus. A long time we go on mama you wa mother get ni me na China e bo yana we mata no e mata gele no the money no man child no do like that at the age of 4. That one where they talk say what did they call her? That one where they talk say touch your head, touch your eye. That is sign language. That's how to teach them.
hell.
They can't touch.
That was
Don't be saying yeah. If you do Odi now say Odi they look you and if they say as you tell her you know the yeah. Does it mean if you enter it back on that here or but enter not back make the waka they go. When mama they carry and video where they waka they go. Not be wrong if they don't follow up. If they say stop, nada, I want to be here. Or so that we may know a body to me. So if I get a member or can win one with Bema Mona.
Okay.
And now I know, says the children. Mona fell listening to. He finally agreed. Why were you lying? And he used a last person 4 years ago.
Yeah.
Because when they go over the top of her wall, it's a lot.
You don't get that. You cannot get so to she don't get the right to throw man to my daughter. You will not make her for that.
Girl, no, no, watch. At 4 years old, my son, the Kevin Oma Wagmo, on your power in money, I talk. I to Thomas Akava mono in it be. Monodera, Monoston. We had the word I heard. In young that the video now, a Kevin no more. Money money sago. Wale yak benwa.
Hello guys, I greet you for the better time.
It was 4 years here.
This is Vito, the Umenwan of the universe, aka the social media king, the social media cubana, the social media bomb, social media etutunoma, the social media eviowa, the social media aquabisi, runda, eraya, dosike aquabisi.
My baba always man.
Just then I drink.
Njoh. Udere. Ona mo ni big banner. Omo ne ho 4 years old. 4 years old, oh yeah. Nora is 4 years as we speak now. Gwa. Enogie I have advised him several times. Oh, no, like the waro you know, or only my con, or my tea work on my picky call. Do you know what I talk about? Of ya. Oh, no, Ladian. I know a few no big year. The Kevin no mono. Or my tea work on. Oh, we are really my con. We don't conseil, we don't get conseil. On a haro you, Hannah. We must say, 4 years old boy, or Guana, ne will down away. 4 years old. Okay, by 4 years now. Oti, touch your ear, touch your nose, iyore background, you can't hear. Enogie away, touch your nose, you can't hear. You know, they come. I won't go and show. So they can't fake life that they live in shadow they show. They don't get the video the children, the master, the children they look the mother. They don't get the talk. Touch your head. You must go point for head. Those children go say point for head. Touch your ear. Your mother, your wife will put a point for ear. The children go say point for ear. Touch your nose. Okay, you must still do that. But must you do that? If really say the children they okay, must you do that? I first tell you this thing long time ago. When I thought he was saga, saga the matter. Monica Tana, Umenwan cat before. A boss has no one that you do view. I've said before, I used to do pay show. Bamba na kita. Enogie you have said in 2021. Right, 2021 or 2022. Time. So nothing that these people are saying now. No a new team. You say no me why what she are going to give my ear yeah, dear. You know what? It's like all the words I've said before that people ignore, neglected because it might blow. Is the one coming to pass. Also, you know, they be mommy where they be a good dame. When mommy where they be a good dame, me no fully. Neko anyo yami. Umanas no. Yeah, dear. Or inside the soup, those who have ears, let them hear. Eti magbe, ido wa ya imidiana, unimu wa eyagu wa. No man cordial and correct you guys. No see. If not see where it came in was or what. Osoroba or my gift no little dog. A gift to one lugar, a sort of a gift to Ogina, really no gina, gift to Ogi, gift to G. I also nobody no gi. A bunny there. Your son. A gift is nobody me, a gift one time, a gift one. Not even go ya look. No, a creative way me. Ya one in expressive baby. Imi wa no we me oyege me ni me gbera gbiri se me an wala e city any city la na we me no be any city wa no awe me na drama e ma ara wori ni gwa that same thing for years yin mami me no re no de awa we me hu da we e yi kwe e yi kale Now, if you not to time when we get that boy now, digbina no gbinana, what's it gbina no Monica? What's your code why Monica? That's the question. This is a life in normal balance. Now, a Monica boy hands down now. In all the saga Monica is lady. You cannot win Monica. You know, there's something you should understand. You can never, ever win Monica for saga. Your followers go pump, they go give you hope. Baba, I be presenter like you. I don't hate you. The same way I don't also hate Monica. If Monica do anyhow now, I will put up my body. If you do anyhow, I will put up your body. You can never ever win Monica for saga. It's the truth. What you win? We no see. We never boy. That never boy. Okokowe, ona kukane kukomone. You have been a little boy to him. You have been a slave to him alongside with your household. Okokigo nijue. Igo gumeti ekwa for years. Ona koke under how many hours nijue. Ya mowa pakwe we fiada. So she has been your boss, lady. De Monica. I am not here supporting Monica, but I'm saying it the way it is. A Monica that will no man buy, it's my duty to come out and say it. But would there be and also no carry any handy? Wula Jadwa be Monica. May no man I stand with Monica. In our way, I will know what I say. Kate. Ego no carry Monica to it no. That is not a real amount. The Monica donate to me. For that simple reason, you lie against Monica and you lie to your wife. Go and bring your bank statement. And you promise the whole world that you're going to bring your bank statement and at the same time lay a curse on Monica. If Monica really donated 2.9 million, Baba, Afa, today, would you just say bank statement? Would you just say 2.9 million? You clear with your wife inside, you make peace with your wife, and that was how the whole issue died long. Bro, if your fans was a sensible and reliable fans, they could have known that you are a fraudster. I'm not get illiterate like you for as a fans. My fans go, I know my fans will call me, they go wear me. Yes. The fans say I stand here to talk to them, they don't say I get sex past them. I cannot take them for a fool. You feel so? I know say I get my own decision to make. Some will even follow me. The way they work for it, they will follow me. I know that. Some will block me. In the fancy me, when you are cause, you are blocking, we are sending it. If you get 1 million, one person will follow you, not complete 1 million. 2 persons not complete 1 million. You feel so? So if you say you did Facebook, you did talk anyhow, and you did take your fans for a fool, you did fool yourself. Any pocket where your fans will bring that money, bless you. Great time for mine, say they bless you with their hearts. 1,000-fold, that pocket will never run dry. They can still, if you do well, they can still continue giving you from that pocket. Giving you from that pocket. It don't go dry. They are sowing seeds to your life. Because they know they are better than you. They want to make you happy. Whatever you are doing is giving them joy. They want to put smile on your face for you to do more. When you take them for granted, you will regret. That's social media for you. There are things you don't know about media. I'm going to educate you so that you will know. Children are everybody own. If you like, you're born bedside. You like, you're born cripple. Or more, no matter what. All fingers are not equal. If all fingers are equal, therefore they the same length. You see how they be? This one are in bedside for where this one there. The same thing with this one. The same thing with this one. The same thing with this one. So you don't miss it because all this one are better, this one will be finger. Maybe you blend it. Maybe this one will be finger. No. all of them get used in different dimensions. When you look at this, without this one, this kind angle, njoh maker, everybody they useful in different ways. If you like getting better, you get special child. They are also useful. In terms of financial aspects, the green money come for those plans more than a normal child. So they are also useful in one way, bro. I don't say it's all. You know the story, you know what I'm saying. So let we hear Madam Atuare as they tell you.
Thank you, my lady. Thank you. Thank you. Njoh,
The stress is too much.
Because comment that be done in days. They normal. No one year no wrong. You don't do. We are joy. Thank you, my lady. Thank you. Thank you. No, me, I be don't say for children. Oh. My love, for children, I be don't leave them to their fate. She even they insult my children today. I carry the picture, I put my music, I leave her to God. But say, waiting will be the talk, not true. Why denying it? I make me bring a call today and tomorrow. Because many people need to know that yes, we did not lie. Mommy Monica did not lie that child, even if they carry video to deceive you now, I know what I saw.
Thank you very much for the star, mommy. Mommy, I greet you, water.
Okay, if you don't want to accept her, why they laugh another woman where they say? Yeah, thank you, my lady. We'll continue.
Water for the star. On your Elizabeth Guezua Oshodi Eziza.
Thank you, Kola.
Obi Guezua.
Thank you, my lady.
Oh, well,
The person gets twins.
I will thank you with your phone. You get going. I understand. I will call us. You understand.
The first one, before that one.
Yeah, in your phone. Not time I'm passing. On my phone. On your baby.
To accept her as a presenter while lying.
Correct Umenwan Baba. You will do what Koradia. Joy Ekato Yaru.
And if they lie, there's another child. Nothing to my begin. Hey, why are you lying? No self-esteem. A man no PLA, a mammy on fire so power.
When the funniest part, you
Say the truth.
know the funniest part. Me, I'm a father. I know the lad is not children. Anything we do for media now, we the runner. We'll keep our children outside of it. You understand? And no girl ever on money be a war on my day okay. Now special children get for house. But now you go the trauma to people children. Imagine say no girl will insult wrote to me. Be a cat be a girl. Any barrier where boy I'm about to you know the reason why I'm so happy. If I think say, oh God, Baba, if not so God they elevate me, bless me, I'm happy. I'm the most happiest person on this media. True una with my followers, with my viewers, una raise me to that extent. People see, Lord to me, go they pray for me, you go they lay cups on Enogie. You go they pray for una, you go they lay cups on Enogie. Enogie could still get the God to come and say, I better pass a muscle. I better pass a muscle. Ha! I look, you are shaken. Somebody where you listen at 12 now, they gotta do sagana. Don't roll to me, now they beat you back up. Don't roll to me, now don't go back textbook. You don't start school. You don't start lesson now. Don't roll to me, don't start lesson. Make a please you for now. The YouTube it will go massive. Don't be joking. Don't be smart, you know. But a bonnet, a real boy, or bad way. Yeah, we no. Every don't roll to me. No issue, no daddy, no we are listening. See one. This one I never watched this one.
bless you.
Because why? Oh, why are you there? Oh, why are you good? No, oh, why are you? Oh, why are you? Oh, say now, Muyo. Ile kalu doneo. Ilo mirave, ilo biye. You know. Your memo. Yeah, I the documents. In one way, I service because of documents. Mama, Umade. Osimere, I carried on. There, oye better. Oye water, you know, sinagbo fimoyi. Oye woloko. Ogario, all the can of the equator. Oye ogio. Wa dere. Akonori uwe be oye. Mother, man, you enjoy woman in Madu. If I go enjoy a woman on your table, mother, may any me, oye, wow, oye, me. You may when you're a slower as wow, and you're not a strong arm. What? So, Saga, I ship whatever I ship, I ship. When may I go when I go when I go with diplomacy and respect? You know, see. I'm not a family man. I try to upgrade my saga in the way that it will still hurt you, especially when I diagnose with truth without shouting. Because you ain't gonna hear vano, etiniana, etiniana, fieku, ya sale kaimi wodo. If not a bodon, ya wa bekemi, yet yasin you. Master, and then ya stressing with Brand. Master, you will tell the Canadian. Ebi the word shots. Amama melade do amu mare to yo boya ro gbogbe we. They also for am e da kala juju. No we ya kala to juju. Me ma da ka pe kolo to juju. Wọ́n say because a le ro ni me e kana le ro ni me a me bo gbogbo e. Only a said be no raw. That's the maturity. Understand? E kana le ro ni me a we bo na ma fiele vanyo wo ume va me ya neru ni me ana na mo ebogbuwe. And you are talking to me. Don't blame. You have to go and learn. Manasa, do you know I said with my brother? Will be okay. That way, we are boys your girl with people. Where are you? We are you. Any man. Don't let me know my money or your power in man or your power in man. You're not more might be. I can't be again. I'm no matter more common about. Master, if I have no, you will no money. You boy for a boy. You boy leg by fool. If you know what you have a banana. Oh, money, you see. Oh, why are science? You know, you are so what young. Because what boomby, what bad way. Oh, money, I have a million account. Where today is not me, or we can say, I can't do it, or I came in a million of country in Nigeria. I will be able to Latin. Who do now? You know me, you're picking for Nigeria 10 million. Roti when the Saka is a millionaire. You understand? Roti when is a millionaire. Understand? Don't play. Negi wasaga we ogun ogbura pon with diplomacy I go atemata ni atemwata we ni ra ka get the movie o we ta temwata o dem wata yen mu ya yi ni ya ask mo ni ya grab lon ewi my saga we no kono get John ri ka mo gbe e pa ya fe ni social media the whole world they've seen you to be a fool. If everybody join hands together to saga you alone, my brother, you're supposed to know that you are going to get back. So you do the right thing. Walk back, can you master the whole world? Walk back, you know, walk back in master in the whole benin cyberspace. And everybody is not sagaring you. Bro, see, let me tell you one thing. This is not saga. Yeah, where a video now, or I watch it, or somebody say I will watch it. So I say, no matter what man understand, if man hate you, that's the truth. And I'm the man that always tell my word, he is a guy, well, no. No matter what you do with your husband, it's your husband. Makame, it's done. Or even that way, I will still stand my ground here to tell you the truth, not about the truth. And that's what I always say. If you don't say you're a guy, if only borrow water and they are happily married, they are like you. They have their color even dirty more than your own. But nobody hear their voice. You know why? They marry a responsible man who could be able to control them, educate them, enlighten them, change their bad attitude to become a good one. You understand? If you are a woman, as a young girl, you have a character that you learn from your parents. If you got married to a man, you also learn on that character from that man and that man's family. You understand? If you decide to get married to a nice man, you learn good character and you are happily married with the man, you will rejoice, you will enjoy marriage, you will advise people, you will advocate for other women, for them to go into marital home because it is very, very sweet. But if you marry the wrong person, you marry your enemy as a man, you will regret getting married. People will hear you and hear your voice. Some people will call you a bad wife. Whether you're supposed to be a good wife, because you got married to the wrong person, you got married to your enemy, they will now see you as a bad wife. And that's what is happening to you, Samisi. You see a person like you, Samisi, if you were mistakenly encountered to have another man just now, you will know, you will regret the time you spend with Enogie. That's the truth. The goodness of you will fall out. Why this badness they see about you? They see it no more. It's life. But unfortunately, you mingle with a wrong man. Because he rushed you with a lot of children. You don't have a helper than he is your helper. He's not your husband, it's your helper. Enogie is not your husband. There's a big difference having a husband or having a baby nurse. Enogie is your baby nurse, not your husband. You know, don't play. Don't deceive yourself. That's what no matter the saga, you say, Alpha. When your husband they cause other person picking, you sleep. You don't hear them. You they sleep. You understand? You don't hear them. So my dear, forget. You coming now to the join your husband, they talk for the background, blah, 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 blah. The saga people when they talk to your husband, they will begin to beat you. For me, I not feel consider you. If I want to talk to you, I'll go play your video, I'll go play your husband video, waiting with you. Simple, bastard. If you want Saga me, go play market video with me. Simple. More do like that. You understand? So my dear, you go with me. Lost the marriage, part 23. Don't play. That should be the next video. Lost the marriage. I ain't going to carry lost the marriage. Understand? Show your coach according to your size. Not before tell we don't get material. Don't play. Man, yes, Saga. The day of your marriage, they will saga you. You go forget marriage, daddy. It's in what you're going to do. You always say, Bua. And then marriage, you're moving, boy. Oh my God. So, it's just the way it is. I did not hate them. I just pray for their union to stand. I know that you stand. I want that you stand so that I go feel they teach this lesson. They go feel they learn from me. You understand? All that you see me and my wife do on social media, it is not to pepper anybody. It's just my kind of person. It's just the way I love to live my life with my wife. You understand? That is why if I continue videoing everything you see me doing with my wife, nobody feels now the user and the pepper people. You understand? The one who be saying, why we say, I want the video. Me, I have to go play. Me cool me. You could go get it one like now I will kiss romance. M.E. So Enogie, when we no more. Ozibo hodo no mu yuwa. When I call ya buwa, obon one. Then me not get time. There is a bully you are. This is my office. If you get you wa. Yeah, no come in wa. Yeah, and that did the hair. They will still embrace me. Yeah, missing ugly. Ils avaient couillé mon téléphone. Ils tiennent à quoi? What are you saying? But will you smile your way? Et le mari, bon, il y a un mouni nipo. Il y a un mouni napoli. Et oui, et ça gagne, mais oui, bedi, mais ça gagne. Oui, bedi, mais ça gagne, mais ça gagne, social media. Nyanya saga we bed na saga. That is, you fucking try me, baby. Okay, yo, yes, darling. I'm hearing you. Come on, baby, give it to me. I'm gonna beat you, baby. I'm gonna slap you, baby. I'm gonna smash you, baby. Yeah, baby, you're right there, baby. Come on, give it. Suck me, baby girl. Oh, you're right there, darling. We bed me, not buggy me. 5 weeks. In my only life with you. Because he had life with you when he moved. The wuto like said, oh, well, I shall we know we are. We were in here, I say, my love, hey, you know how let's say chicken is on. Never born in Naija. Mario go and Google. Breakfast, even dinner, breakfast. No, so, yeah, big man in the kitchen, my dear man with Danny. We go to the bed and chop the diagnosing one. Yeah, look at this step in. Look, you see the difference? In marriage, you don't marry your bestie, it's too sweet. It's not when you marry your enemy. That's when you see the both of you fighting on social media. You marry your bestie, you fight inside the room. You fight inside bed. One, don't play. Unfortunately, in your own hey, we. Hey, yo, boy, yo. Sorry, come. Why we no give you a COVID, but we are ah. You know, so don't we have a made small mistake. Wow, bewa. You don't see me and finish what you but when take it easy. Monica come cool temper Monica. Okay, Monica, I begging Monica because say, horror Monica be for no reason. I see the Monica will not be Monica. And now, Minister, I believe I quick one of Belfast. Oh, woman, was in the moon, or was in a week. I believe I quick one as they was in a week with him on her donated 2.9 million. Or more than 2.9 million make oh, no, many but it's when you are blocked, even though exists. 2.9 million. 2.9 million. Why? 2.9 million. Now, I don't know, I don't know, a rotimi or Osnia Dimoto. Here, the other car or bus, not the royal fee. Oh, yeah, taxi driver. Life goes on. Don't be joking. 2.9 million go buy a car or bus, those small bus. So, when they do taxi for Benin, so 2.9 million go buy bus. Give those small boys, the bigger one, the one with senior road to me for side. He go till they do taxi. They drive till they take care of a junior one, sponsor them for school, till they pay their school fees. They never start life. Life goes on. 2.9 million. And I had donated on grateful elements. No way to go here and say. Can you imagine? If Vera was a wise woman, if now only as they pledge, so you don't go finish all of them. You do not want you. See. You see as Vera stupid. Me, Mama born 6 good children. 22 years ago, Mama late. I rent us. I pack my children. Mama to the floor body. They take care of their loans. She go handle. I guess stop. I go. If I tell you what thing I do for that Benin when I see so, I go drive back. The man you can go in here with Koloto. He load the bus from Upper Market.
Thank you everyone for watching. God bless you all, my people. My opinion about picking when they talk. This picking of a thing, some day when they quit talk, some day when not they quit talk. My people, like and share this